Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to make nihari.
Very much important thing is to select the meat of nihari. It is a selective meat. It looks like this of mutton, and in beef it called shin meat. Bones and meat both are used.
So I have already tenderized the meat for 5 hours. It was cooking for 5 hours, and where you can see the mark, the water was still here, and now meat is tenderized.
This is bones fluid and it is perfectly cooked. I will separate it, otherwise it will mix in it and we can't feel its taste. So this is why I will use it while garnishing.
Few of the pieces I have shredded. Now on the other hand, I will fry the onion. These are 4 onion of big size.
If you are new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe it. This is totally free. Our onion is frying. Half we have to put in nihari and half we will separate for garnishing. We will fry the onion until its color become golden brown. I am very much selective about spices, so I don't use star anise in it because I don't like its aroma. I think this is only for rice. 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds I have added, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds. Other spices I have already added while it was cooking for 5 hours. Now I'm gonna dry its water. If you feel the meat is overcooked, then separate the meat. Do not overcook it. And I have dry roasted the wheat flour for thickness of nihari, and I also use Nihari masala ready-made purchased from the market. Here mix that spice in water so no lumps will be formed in nihari. I have put extra water in nihari. As you can see, its level is raised. So now I have put the masala. After adding masala and wheat flour, you have to cook nihari for 20 to 30 minutes. The accoutrements of nihari are very important. They enhance its flavor. I have used jullien cutting ginger, fresh coriander, fried onion and few chillies. It enhances its flavor, and a lemon juice, very much important, a lemon. Now this is very important step. I have off my stove and now I will put the flour in my nihari. So it is very hot, be careful. Pour gradually, do not pour the whole, yes, like that. Pour gradually and check whether the consistency is of your choice or not. I'm gonna add more because it is not thicken more than enough. Quantities are written, you can read carefully and follow all my steps and instructions. Your curry will be very perfect and it's very easy, not very much difficult. If you like my video, do give a thumbs up, and if you are new on my channel, do subscribe it. See you soon inshallah in a new video. Take care of your precious self and remember me in your kind prayers. See you soon and Allah Hafiz.